Welcome to my video tutorial on millions money. This will be my second video on millions money, and this video is just going to be based on how you can create or how you can register people under your link. Now, welcome to Palito Technologist. If you are new to my channel, please do take your time to click on the red button, subscribe, and allow for notification. You can also give me a thumbs up like if you really do like my content, so as to encourage me to do more of this more often, and then drop a comment if you have a question. So this is million money. I'm not going to go into details how it works, but I'm just going to show you how you can register, how you can set up your account, or how you can register people. So the very first thing you should put in place is you need to download an application called the Trust Wallet. So if you're using an Android, you should go to your Play Store and then search for Trust Wallet, not Trusty Wallet. Trust Wallet. So if you get the icon, if you get this same application that is on my screen here, the same icon is used on iOS phones and on Android. There is Trusty Wallet. I don't want us to make a mistake in downloading Trusty Wallet. I think there's Trusty Wallet. Yeah, there's Trusty Wallet and there's Trust Wallet. There's a clear differences between them. I don't want to talk too much. So after you must have downloaded it, the next thing is to create a wallet. I already have an account, but just for the tutorial sake, I need to create a new wallet. So to create, you click on the create wallet, and then you check to understand that if you lost recovery, blah blah blah, you just need to do the readings. So continue. You won't have this. It's because I'm already making use of my Trust Wallet. So it gives you a few phrases of words that you need to arrange accordingly. So to do this, I copy this, I either send it to my mail, or do those kind of things, or just write it down. So after you must have copied this, I'm going to just paste it on my WhatsApp so I can follow up with it. So if you have made it to this stage of arranging it back, so you just click on done, and then it should give you. So let's just wait for it to go. I think it has to do with network. So yeah, you've successfully created your crypto wallet. So click on done, and the next thing you need to do is to get 0.036 Ethereum. You just need to copy the address, copy, and then paste it to whoever is going to sell 0.036 Ethereum. 0.033 Ethereum is for the registration, but we calculate the charges money and that. So after you must have loaded your account with Ethereum, all you need to do is to go to the app, this little box here. Go to this particular place. If you already have an account and you want to register people under your link, you just need to take your own affiliate link. To get your own affiliate link, if you already have an account, you just need to copy your affiliate link, go to this three icon that looks like computer, and then you get your link there. So after you must have done that, you can paste the link. And for you watching my video and you have no account already, you can also use this same link. I'm going to provide this in the description below, and then you just click on done. Let me allow here first. So it should take you to this page. So once you're here, you need to change the language to your own preferred language. So I'm going to change this to English. I then click on it. So the next thing is you click on register, sign in. Because I already have an account, it could take me to my dashboard, or if you have this kind of display, you need to click on this icon up here and select Ethereum. Then you should have a screen that says login automatically. Click on the login automatically. I have an account already, so it's going to log in with my own account. Well, I already have. Okay, yeah, if you have this issue, we are going to treat this kind of issue later on, but for the registration's sake, the next screen is meant to bring to you is this screen. After logging automatically, it brings you here, and then it writes the ID you want to register under. I'm not planning to register again because I already have an account and I'm currently in level 3. I'm about to go to my level 4. Then you click to register. Then the next thing, it brings you to this confirmation page whereby it tells you they are going to deduct minus 0.03 Ethereum, which is the registration fee. So you can click send. After you must have done that, and it's going to take you to another screen. Yeah, we don't really need that screen. What we need to do is to go back to the Trust wallet and come up here and change the link to just, I'm going to drop it in the description below, lk.million.money, and then you should click enter. It should take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard should be 0, 0, of course. You shouldn't have this. This happened to me because I already have an account and all that. So it should take you to your dashboard, and that is all you need to do to register a new person to your affiliate link. I hope this video has been educative enough. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, do subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more videos on my progress on Million Money and all of that, and how to withdraw your money from Million Money. Alright.